We are going to be spending the next 3 days out here in the middle of nowhere. We've found a spot to park the boat and set up camp for the weekend. We're going to try fishing for trout and Murray cod, which is something we've never ever had any success in. So there's a few options that we have this weekend. We're going to test out which one is going to help us. Alright, so we just got to camp. We didn't bring anything for fishing, so it's all going to be a scavenge hunt. There's the boat. Last time we came here, the water was like up at those fucking trees, and this time it's way lower, so we're going to see if we can get all of our lost gear back, because it's all in this stuff, and use it to keep fishing. The sun will set soon, but we're going to use the last of this light to see if we can find lures and hooks and all this other stuff that's going to help us fish. Apparently carp are meant to be really good bait, so we'll try and catch some carp, chop them up and send them out. Oh my god, a castie! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god, I got that on camera! That's my first ever fucking castie that I've ever found.
Yeah, wow.
See how it's like not hacked?
Yeah.
A deer's dropped it.
Yeah.
Please, can I find the other one? Right, we've decided to relocate to that side. So I'm going to take the boat around. That's how you start a fire. Oh my. Alright, it is the next morning. Today, we're going to try and find some fishing gear so we can start fishing. We have nothing, so we're going to find it. Alright, we're starting the bait collection. The found rod is in the water. Now we go back up here and sit and wait. It's about as interesting as carp fishing gets. Get out of that tree. Oh, he's bringing it in. Oh my god. Wrap me up. Oh yeah. Bait. Oh yeah, that's peeling. Is he in the snags? So. Yeah, give him some line, let him try and get out. Just go easy on it, he'll come out. Nah, we need more. Oh yeah. Alright. sending the big bait out now. That's our carp head going out. We're gonna sit here all night until a cod hits it. Because we can't catch shit in the lake, we've come to the bondage. Bought some power bait. I'm gonna try and use this and catch a trout, because still to this day I haven't caught a trout in my whole life of fishing. Boy, here's a swamp. Nah, that's shit. I didn't realise it was fucking BYO rod holder. Oh, yummy. Shit smells so fucking weird. As if a fucking fish eats this shit. I think that's how you do it. Fish on. Let's throw that in the meantime. I need to get him over the reeds. Oh, he got off! That was my first ever rainbow. I'm going straight back to that spot. Right, we have proof that they eat the Tassies. Finally! I've caught a rainbow. There's a rainbow. He's only little. He's a puppy, but it's a trout. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna put him back. We don't really want to keep and eat them, do we? Otherwise, I don't know how big they're gonna be. Yeah, if we get a decent one. Off he goes. Let him go. You're on. He's coming straight to you. See? Yeah, get it in there. Nah, he's learned his lesson. Alright, we're heading out of here. 1.5 trout.